Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I have a unboxing to do, and it is the ta-da! Chic Box. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my Chic Box, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I'm back, and today we have the Chic Box, and this is an every other month box, and it's $34.99 per box. And you know, they have great stuff, but you really have to remember to catch their choice. And a lot of times they don't send a message, so I have no idea what I'm getting because I never did my choice. And so, yeah, and I usually get what's left over, I think. Not sure how that works, but let's get it unboxed, okay? Like I said, this is $34.99, and it is a every other month box, and it is a beauty box, okay? And usually they're pretty good. I usually get really nice things, and they're usually fixed to what they offer, so the card's all gonna be the same. I'll show you what I mean. Here it is. It comes packed like any other box, and it comes with, oh, okay, there it goes. It comes with a nice little card, and of course it's pink because it is Valentine's month, so it's pink. Okay, so it says here, Chic Beauty Box, Happy Valentine's Days, January, February box. There it is. And then so how this happens is that there's different variations, and they give you variation 1, 2, and 3. So it depends on which variation you got. So let's see what happens, but I don't know until I dig in here. Like your first variation is $145.76 value. Second variation is $138.87 value. And the third one is $115.87 value. So let's see, because like I said, I couldn't choose because they don't send one of those notices like BoxyCharm and IPSY, so I missed out. But that's okay. That's okay. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing that I see in a box is Allure and Vegan's Nay Grand Glamour eyelashes. And there are, I guess, adhesives included. Okay, and so this retails for, let's see if I can guess which one I got. Now just, this is Allure. Let's see, false eyelashes. It is $8.88. By the looks of this, I got variation number 2 because the other 2 I don't think has this in it. So, yep. Okay. All right. So it is $8.88 for that. And next is a NYX product, Voluptuous, and this looks like a mascara maybe. So let me take a look here. Lush Lashes Mascara, again, $8.88. What is it with $8.88? Did they make this stuff up? So they're both $8.88. And because this is not waterproof, this will go into my giveaways. And it is sealed. So yeah, that's good. And next in line is this Becca, looks like a lipstick. It is a lipstick. And this right here, let me let you see what the box at least looks like. Another lipstick. And this is called the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love, and it retails for $24, okay? And let me see what the color is here. And the color here is, it's warm. They do like warm, cool, or neutral. And it's called Ember. And this looks like a color that I have, but you know what, I'm going to actually use this because I don't own any lipsticks by Becca, and I want to really give it a try because I've seen a lot of advertise. Okay, it's like, oh, this is nice. That's their this looks like a bottom of a bullet. That's funny. Like a real bullet. Okay, so oh, this is nice. Oh, it kind of smells like coconut. Okay, there it is. Very nice lipstick. And I'm not going to swatch it because I already have similar shades, but I do want to keep this only because I want to give it a try. So that's that. And like I said, this one does retail for $24. So next in line is a Nars. And this is a Nars face palette, it says. Okay, so it's Hot Nights Face Palette. It retails for $59. Something this tiny is $59. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay. Face palette. Let's see. Oh, I love their packaging though. Oh, God, it's so luxurious. It's like silicone, you know. I love it. And I love Nars anyway. Ooh, oh, I am not complaining, everybody. Look at this. Look at this. This is highlighter. Oh my goodness. You know, my low buy, no buy can go bye-bye. It was funny. Low buy, no buy, go bye-bye because I don't need it because I'm getting them in my boxes. So here it is. And there's a beautiful mirror. And again, it's a face palette. Okay. And this is pretty. And like I said, I love Nars products. I use Nars products, and it is one of, they have the best blushes. I haven't used their highlighters yet, but I'll try now. Okay, that's that, and this retails for $59. And then the next one here is, it looks like a palette of some kind. Not sure. It's the last thing that's in here. Okay. You know what's missing? I am missing something here. But that's okay. Let's see if it's might not be in here. This here. Oh. This is weird. I've been reading the wrong side because okay. I got variation number 1, which is $145.76. But what threw me is instead of the mascara, the mascara that I got should not have been in this variation. This is in a second variation. The first one should have had a long wear brow gel by Maybelline, and that's not in my box. And that's the only difference because this here, I have, look at this. I have a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2, which retails for $36. And so this is very weird. Huh. Okay. All right. They got it all mixed up because this makes no sense at all. But that's okay, because I got the, the Nars face palette. I wanted that one. And let's see what this is all about. I like this. I'll take this. Aesthetics. Look at this. Wow, this is so nice. And I didn't even choose any of this, guys. So this is really nice. This box is nice. Oh, my goodness. Look at this beautiful mirror. And I'm going to remove this little cellophane thing. Oh, look at this. And this is Tarte. So it's, it's a high-end, pretty good stuff. So, yeah. And it has the name of the colors around there. And look at these. These are like shimmers and mattes. So beautiful. And again, beautiful mirror here. Wow, this wasn't bad this month. I'm not so mad about not being able to pick what I want. I probably couldn't have done a good job picking that. And it also has little how to. How to. And so that's that, I think. Let me just check because this is really, this is all over the place. I'm going to say I got variation number 1 with the difference of I did not get a Maybelline Longwear Brow Gel. Instead, I got this NYX Lush Lash Mascara. And so, but that's okay. I'm okay with that. But this is really okay. Okay. So, let me make sure. And that's valued at $145.76 if you add it all together. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, what did you think? I think this is a great box, don't you? I mean, the eyelashes, the face palette by Nars, the mascara by NYX, Becca lipstick, and also, where'd it go? Oh, my Tarte eyeshadow palette. And then the thing is, these were all high-end products except for the eyelashes and the NYX product, which is the mascara. So not bad at all. I am not unhappy. So anyway, my beautiful, anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, tell me what you think. Tell me what you thought about the box and put the information below. And I'll see if I can link this box below for you if you're interested in getting it. Like, I'm not sponsored or I'm not, nobody sends me anything for free and I don't make any money out of any of this stuff. So whatever I put down there is just to make it easier for you guys. And so, Anyway, so my beautiful wildflowers, that's that. And I hope you guys are having a good week. And I hope you guys are enjoying life as I am. If I added any value, please hit like as usual. And again, if you haven't subscribed yet, come on and subscribe. Be one of the first 500. Because I'm almost there, 480. Remember, you guys, I'm having this huge 500 giveaway. So once we're there, a little bit above, maybe 504 or so, in case I lose a couple here and there, we'll still be at 500. So we will do the big giveaway, okay? And speak of that, I haven't done the next sneak peek in a while. So hold on, let me give you a peek. Okay, guys, I think this is number 9. I'm hoping this is number 9. If not, it's 10. So Nancy, keep me honest here. So the next one will be this eyeshadow palette by NYX. And this is Diamonds and Ice Please by NYX. And I think you guys will be happy with this. I mean, it is a 6-pan palette. And this will be included in the giveaways, okay? So again, I hope you guys have a good week. And stay safe. And remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.